Hey guys, we have 14 plus 6 divided by 2 times 5. 14 plus 6 equals 20 divided by 2 and times 5. Now 20 divided by 2 equals 10 times 5 and 10 times 5 equals 50. Alright, but this is wrong, right? Why it is wrong? Division and multiplication must be done before addition. Now let's solve it correctly. Division first, right? So 14 plus 6 divided by 2 equals 3 times 5. Now multiplication first. Multiply first, right? So 14 plus 3 times 5 equals 15. And 14 plus 15 equals 29.